Hello Jira users. In this tutorial, we'll explore using metrics supported by the Performance Objectives app, which are numerical or time-based measurable fields forming the chart's vertical axis. In the app's gadgets, you'll find a measure section below the data source configuration. You can type and search for a specific metric or choose a particular group from the drop-down menu. For a full list of metrics and fields supported by the app, which extends far beyond Jira's native options, visit the link provided in the description below. By default, number of issues is pre-selected as a metric for the y-axis. While exploring the measurement options, you'll discover a range of custom metrics that uncover distinctive and logically structured display fields, facilitating accurate reporting. Choosing time tracking metrics like time in status or assignee or time between unlocks extra configuration options. These range from selecting work calendars, statuses, users, to time value representations in minutes, hours, or days. Our app includes a metric distribution feature. This allows you to display number or time-based metrics in custom distribution slots, organized in groups on the x-axis. Moreover, you can create your own metrics using conditional or formula metric features. Our multi-metric gadgets even enable you to add up to 10 metrics across different y-axis scales on a single chart. Thank you for watching. Dive deeper into advanced metric features in our upcoming tutorials.